Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine. I'm your English teacher here. As you know, today is our first lesson and we are going to start our resource pack. Today we will read reading material 1 and 4 from your resource pack. Here is a list of material that you will need while taking your lesson. It's a lead pencil, eraser, resource pack, black pointer, blue pen, highlighter, and a ruler. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to know about the importance of water, learn the difficult words, and to know ways to stay hydrated. Today we will read reading material 1 and 4 from the resource pack page number 7 and page number 10. Reading material 1. Water is essential to life. Open page number 7 of your resource pack. Reading material 1. Water is essential to life. Water covers more than two-thirds of the earth's surface, but mostly salty and undrinkable. Undrinkable means not able to drink, पीने के काबिल ना होना. The available freshwater resource is only 2.7% of the available water on earth, but only 1% of the available fresh water in lakes, rivers, and groundwater is accessible. Accessible means easily obtained, available. Most of us don't think about the water we drink. We turn on a tap, fill a glass, and drink. But how much water do you really need to drink every day? Need means requirement. To have need of. जमीन पर ज्यादातर पानी नमकीन और पीने के काबिल नहीं है। हम में से अक्सर लोग पानी के बारे में नहीं सोचते, न हम ये जानते हैं कि हमें रोजाना कितना पानी पीना चाहिए। Is the water we are drinking safe or would bottled water be safer? What can we do if our tap water suddenly became contaminated? Contaminated means make impure, dirty, साफ ना होना. Clean drinking water is a basic human need. Unfortunately means happening through bad luck, बदकिस्मती से. More than 1 in 6 people still lack reliable access to this precious resource. Precious means highly worth, highly cost, कीमती. The problem is particularly acute in the developing world. पानी जो हम पी रहे हैं वो साफ है या बोतल वाला पानी? साफ पानी इंसान की बेसिक नीड है। बदकिस्मती से हर 6 में से 1 से ज्यादा इंसान को साफ पानी अवेलेबल नहीं है। Sources of fresh water. Drinkable water is a precious commodity. Most of the earth's water is seawater, which is salty and not used for drinking. About 2.5% is freshwater and two-thirds of that is frozen in ice caps and glaciers. Underground reservoirs. Reservoir means tank used for collecting and storing a liquid, are an important source of water supply for many people. Humans use wells to tap renewable and non-renewable aquifers, which quench their thirst and water crops. Rivers and lakes contain only a small amount of Earth's water, but these surface water are crucial. Sources of fresh water. ज्यादातर पानी नमकीन और पीने के काबिल नहीं है। अंडरग्राउंड रिजर्वर्स पानी लोगों तक पहुंचाने का बेहतरीन सोर्स हैं। How much water do we need? Your body weight is more than 50% water. Without water, we couldn't maintain a normal body temperature, lubricate our joints, or get rid of waste. Not getting enough water can lead to dehydration. Dehydration means the process of extracting moisture, पानी की कमी हो जाना, which can cause muscle weakness and cramping, a lack of coordination, and an increased risk of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. In fact, a human can go without food for about 3 weeks, but would typically only last 3 to 4 days without water. We often hear that we need to drink 8 glasses of water each day. बॉडी में पानी की कमी की वजह से बॉडी टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल नहीं रह सकता। मसल्स में वीकनेस हो जाती है। हम अक्सर ये सुनते हैं कि हमें रोजाना 8 गिलास पानी पीना चाहिए। 4 ways for kids to stay hydrated. Always drink water before meals and snacks. Drink water before, after, and during physical activity. Pack a water bottle for school and when go out. Drink water even if you don't like it. स्कूल जाते हुए या बाहर जाते हुए अपनी वाटर बोतल अपने साथ रखें और फिजिकल एक्टिविटी से पहले और बाद में पानी पिएं। Dear students, as you know, we always start our notebook work by writing the index page. So first you will write serial number, today's date and today's topic, dictation words of unit number 1 and unit number 4. Dear students, you will make the title page of reading material. Let's write our content page. First of all, you will write reading, dictation words, words meaning sentences, and objective worksheet. Let's write dictation words. First of all, you will write day, date, today's task. And our dictation words are undrinkable, accessible, need, unfortunately, precious, reservoirs, and dehydration. Quick review of today's lesson. Today we have done reading material 1 and 4. In our next lesson we will do words meaning sentences and question answers of reading material 1 and 4. Task to do. Read the page numbers 7, 10 and learn the spellings of difficult words. Fun facts. In English, there is a word swims means act of swimming, which will look and read same as swims, even when turned upside down. Dear students, I hope you have learnt a lot from this lesson. See you with next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.